Welcome to this Hotel SOPs training video, Maintenance Request Handling, from report to resolution. In this lesson, you'll learn a simple, step-by-step process to handle any maintenance issue quickly, calmly, and professionally. Step 1. Receiving the request. Guests can report problems at the front desk, by phone, through housekeeping, or using your hotel's app or chat. No matter how it arrives, treat every request as important. Listen carefully. Repeat the issue back to the guest to confirm you understood. Then thank them for letting you know. Step 2. Log the request. Enter the issue immediately into your maintenance log or ticket system. Include the guest's name and room number, the exact problem, the time reported, and who took the request. If it's urgent, clearly mark it as high priority. Step 3. Set the priority. Use a simple scale. Emergency, anything that affects safety, water leaks, power, or door locks. High, things that strongly affect comfort, like air conditioning, hot water, or loud noise. Normal, minor issues like a loose handle or a flickering light. Step 4. Assign the task. Send the request to the right maintenance team member. Share all details, including room access rules and any guest notes. Confirm they received it and know the target completion time. Step 5. Update the guest. Give a clear time frame. For example, our maintenance team will be there within 30 minutes. If the guest is not in the room, ask about a preferred time or permission to enter. Step 6. Complete the work. The maintenance staff fixes the issue, tests it, and cleans the work area. If a full repair is not possible right away, provide a temporary solution and explain it to the guest. Step 7. Close and document. Update the system with what was done, when it was done, and by whom. Note any parts used and any follow-up needed. Mark the ticket as complete only after the guest confirms they are satisfied or after a follow-up call. Finally, review patterns. If the same problem happens often, report it so management can plan a long-term fix. When every team member follows this SOP, guests feel heard, problems are solved faster, and the hotel runs smoothly. To create your own clear, custom SOP videos for your hotel, visit vidfactory.ai.